Let's say there is a family doctor. He may not be the best doctor on the planet, but you still prefer to go to him. You're comfortable with the doctor. He's your brand. So brand essentially means a trusted name. Essentially what's a brand is, people can't every day make judgments. They want a trusted name.
Envisioned by Sadhguru, Brand Insight. Decoding Branding is an interactive brand building program designed for entrepreneurs and business leaders.
This is a learning by doing kind of workshop.
Assisted by some of the sharpest brand minds in the industry.
The program will be held in the powerfully energized spaces of the Isha Yoga Center. The participants will also have the opportunity to learn simple yet powerful tools for self-transformation, enabling them to lead a balanced and joyful life.